Okay, in this video, we are going to learn how to install and set up the Comet browser. So type Perplexity browser and download. Once it is done, click on Start Install. So this download the setup and installing the Perplexity on your system. So let's wait. Once it is done, click on Launch Comet, and this will launch your AI enabled browser with which personal AI assistant inbuilt. So once this is done, we are going to set up the browser. So click on Get Started. And you can also import the settings from the other browsers, or you can skip this, or you can do this later as well. So now we are going to set up the profile picture, as well as we are going to give the profile name. So let me give my name. And on the down we have an option of different themes like light, dark, and customize. So you can select as you want and click on continue. So this is the last step of your setting. Whatever you want, you can select and click on next. Now once this is done, the next step is we have to sign in to the browser either with your Google account or with your Apple account. So let's do with my Google account. And once this is done, you are ready to use your personalized AI assistant browser with which you can perform all the different actions in a single go. If you like the video, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you.